Hello again. So I'm at a local quarry. I've always loved in videos where people dive down mountains, but I don't really have any mountains near me apart from the one I dove and then crashed. But I have this quarry quite near me, and it's got this nice long section that slowly slopes down, and it's also got a few steep mountains. So I thought I'd give it a go flying around the paths and flying down the mountain and see how it goes.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
That was quite hard in the wind. So yeah, I'm out of batteries and the wind's picking up quite a bit, if you can even hear me. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.